It's an elephant. Pretty cool. Surely you've seen that before. There's some tennis players. Looks like a man and his wife, perhaps, playing tennis. Let's see, I've got my stuff here. I've got a change of clothes in the red bag. Got some screws in case that stool we're going to be banging those furnace jets on starts falling apart. I brought a lunch. I brought a hat. I brought some coffee. And, oh yeah, I'm here too. That'll help. I do need to stop off and mail a letter. This is one of the more... Well, you describe it. What kind of an intersection would you say this was? Lots of people come here. Most of them don't stay long, unless there's a train coming or something. Some go that way, some go this way. There's the light green. This guy's going to turn right. I can tell by that flashing light on the back of his car. You thought I was stupid, didn't you? I know one thing. This guy's going to turn right too. And I'm going to count that as two things, just because it happened twice. I am independently wealthy. I don't even have to worry about finances. I know that no matter what happens, I have someone who is going to provide everything I need. I mean, even if the whole economy dies, I mean, even if the whole country dies and disappears and is replaced by another, I mean, I am provided for, even if this whole world burns up into dust. I was just reading this morning in the Bible where that's going to happen. Charles Swindoll talks about how in the world that could happen. We don't have any firecrackers big enough to do that. But then he said in 1979 there were like 9 satellites that simultaneously saw an explosion way out in space somewhere that was like, in one instant, the amount of energy the sun puts out in a period of 3,000 years. He said, speculating as well as we can, that if that had happened in our solar system, it would have vaporized the entire planet Earth in a fraction of a second. I need to drink some coffee. How do you drive, drink coffee, and vlog at the same time? If God had meant people to have YouTube, He would have given them 3 hands. Don't you think? Oh, that coffee is good. That's better than anything I had to say anyway. Let's turn this thing on. Okay, it's church time. Here we are at the church. Beautiful church. Bus. We are going to go over there behind that building and clean the furnace. I'm waiting for my guys to show up. I think I got everything set up and ready. Keep the church warm all winter. Probably should put that hose away before the snow sets in too. Wouldn't you think? Makes sense to me. Here's the furnace control. I got it all shut off and locked up. Okay, let's go. We got the buckets in the cart all ready to go. Just empty buckets to put the furnace jets in. We're here in the mechanical room. I'd call it the furnace room if I were me. But this is the furnace right here. We are going to take this lower door off, unbutton those little toggle things, slide that out of here, and then down underneath here there are a whole army of little jets that we will remove, throw in those buckets, take outside and clean. Be a project. But we have a beautiful day for it. There's the chiller shed. Here's our little bench we're going to work on. Hacksaw blades to clean out the furnace jets. Stuff behind the church. I got some chairs out here so we can sit down while we work. All we need is a couple of men. Or 4. Or more. Furnace cleaning crew. These guys are good. These are the guys who cleaned the furnace and made the church warm all winter. That's what it looks like. We did not barbecue anybody.
He was
that was good.
Barbecue me. It's getting hot.
Hi there. Remember me? Mr. Lollipop. Tootsie Roll Pop. Strawberry vanilla flavor. Yummy. Somebody's having a G sale. That's what that sign said. G sale. Right there. Arrow point there. They must be selling dandelions. That's all they got. There's another park. Look at that fountain. Looks like fun. Kind of a Saturday market deal. Well, the furnace is all done. It's 1:16 in the afternoon. All is well. From 11 to 1. I'm sure that's the fastest we've ever cleaned a church furnace. We had some good people, good workers, doing a good job. We had 100% burn when we were done too. Everything burned. No failures. And none of these guys or gals, there was one lady who helped us, had ever worked on cleaning the furnace before. For the most part, we did real good. I think the Lord blessed us. The weather was perfect. Last week it was raining. You know what I need is a post office. Let's find the post office. Okay, we need to go bum, bum, bum. Uh-oh, where's all my icons? This phone's still warming up. Okay. Navigate to U.S. Post Office. That ought to do it. There's one up here somewhere. I just have no idea where it is. What am I doing? I'm sorry. Keep going for a ways. I'm in Beaverton now. They have all kinds of stuff here in Beaverton. Let me see what I can find. First I have to get across this street. I made it. Oh, that's a quaint little shop.
Turn right
on a beautiful sunny day. So there's the post office right there. Okay, how do I mail a letter? I don't know if they have a drive-through or not. Oh, here's a drop-off.
Right onto Southwest Lampard Avenue.
Perfect. Mailing my letter now. My deposit. See? Here come the boxes. Collection times. Saturday, 4:30 p.m. Okay, now, where am I going? Let's go home. Excuse me a minute. I'm gonna go home. Here we go. Going home. 83 degrees. 1:37 in the afternoon. 2 miles an hour. GPS lady taking a nap. I'm going home. it's a good day. And the furnace is clean at God's house at the Beaverton Church of the Nazarene. Oh, look, it's a giant soccer ball over there on top of that roof. Man, it got stuck up there, you know? That's kind of a shame. That would have been fun to play with. It would have been down where you could get at it. For me, what are those guys? Never seen them before. You don't see that every day. Well, told you. The important thing to remember is to zoom back out on me. I've been told that the farther away I get, the better I look. I like that stump. Stumpy. Doody doo doo dee doo. Doody doo 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 doo. Doody doo 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 doo. Heil. Look at that. Heil is still going on. We're gonna go see Heil. There's that sign that says Heil. Ah! Okay, there's the guy working on the red barn. That's always a fine thing for one to behold. Look at that old Buick. Now here's the elephant. I want you to look at this elephant. Tell me when you see it. See it? There it is. There's the elephant. He's staring at us. Okay, bye elephant. We'll see ya. You don't see that every day. You don't see that every day. Waterfall. Residential waterfall.